Jump Out TV production, viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one, people, in today's video, we want to talk about Movado, the Gully God. Also in today's video, we want to talk about Vybz Kartel, Adi the teacher, Mr. Palmer, World Boss. Also we want to talk about One Slide till the landslide, Masicka, the crocodile, swamp fest. Also, we want to talk about Vanessa Bling. We want to talk about Bounty Killer, the ground Godzilla, the poor people, governor. So people, the Gaza fans them attack Vanessa Bling, wicked. After Vanessa Bling comment on a post where Movado make a Movado have a show a come up in a December Reggae Fest, the same Reggae Fest we're keeping a Brooklyn with Vybz Kartel, Alkaline, Bounty Killer, Movado. So Movado returned to Jamaica. You know, so Movado did have some legal trouble with him son. And Movado did get caught up in a cassava piece with a Dan, where them bust some can after Movado allegedly backs up some people. Movado have to take away himself. Movado have to move like a Usain Bolt, guard the police station, then take away himself. So Movado haven't returned to Jamaica for over 8 years. So Movado have a big show a come up in a December where I go lock down the whole country. So Vanessa Bling make a comment on Movado post. And the Gaza sheep them, the Gaza fans them, a deal with Vanessa Bling aware, a styler as ungrateful, a styler says she no loyal and she no respect Vybz Kartel cause I know she no link up with Vybz Kartel. So people, we have that to talk about. But first we are going to talk about Bounty Killer and Masicka. Bounty Killer show some respect and love to Masicka. Bounty Killer support Masicka. Masicka say him are the goat. And Masicka and Vybz Kartel are beef. Them a go back and forth. If you see who are the king and who are the goat a dancehall, them a war over the goat, the greatest of all time. Both artists are throw shade at each other. But you know, say Vybz Kartel have the upper hand because Vybz Kartel have the bigger fan base. Vybz Kartel are the bigger artists. Vybz Kartel have more hit song than Masicka. Vybz Kartel get support from the Gaza camp. Artists like Black Rhino come out and at this Masicka. Sean Sam come out and at this Masicka as well. Popcorn come out and at this Masicka. Most people in the dancehall fraternity are this Masicka. So it's a good look to see Bounty Killer, who is a legend in the business, one of the column them, one of the people them will carry dancehall pan them back. I show Masicka some support. We know Bounty Killer and Masicka have sung together, so we know Bounty Killer play a part in a Masicka career. So when Masicka see whole a dancehall, a tumble down pan him. Everybody in the music fraternity, we're loyal to Vybz Kartel, we're afraid of Vybz Kartel, we take side with Vybz Kartel and attack him. It's a good look to see Bounty Killer come out and support Masicka. Bounty Killer now pick no side. Bounty Killer assure support to Masicka. So anything Masicka and Kartel have, them have to go deal with that. But Bounty Killer assure some support after Conscience make a post on him Instagram. Conscience are saying they did it when Masicka in a younger age, when the two of them go on stage. Conscience are saying they don't see the talent before everybody. And they don't see the potential where Masicka have. Cause Masicka are one of the youth right now where carry dancehall. Are one of the column them in a dancehall. So conscience I say him feel proud to be one of the person where be a part of Masicka journey from them time there till now. So Bounty Killer show him respect as well. Cause Bounty Killer one of the person where play a pivotal role in a Masicka career and help, guide Masicka and help, support Masicka. But when Vybz Kartel did incarcerated Alkaline out here go on with a whole crocus bag of things, them never have nobody we could have step to Alkaline, cause Alkaline and Movado role. Vybz Kartel they behind bars. So Vybz Kartel and Masicka link up after Alkaline drop a song called After All. After all, he got couple dogs where we done dead for him. 4 rifle lean up on a wall. Masicka and Kartel have a song say, for them dog have to live. Infrared, a shade Alkaline song. So Alkaline, who was the juggernaut and a runner of dancehall and a deal with dancehall, we no competition never did it so because Gully side, who is Movado, become Gully Vendetta. So Masicka now and Vybz Kartel link up and say Gaza genocide and everybody in a dancehall a push Masicka fi go up against Alkaline. So Masicka and Vybz Kartel a link, the Gaza fans them a support Masicka. Now Vybz Kartel touch road. Masicka big in him own right. Masicka no want be no yes man. Masicka want be him owner than. Masicka want run off dancehall for himself. Masicka see say have the potential to be one of the greatest, but it not go work if a Gaza genocide. Genocide have to stand by itself. Genocide have to be one side till the swamps slide. So Masicka decides say he must go pan him own. Plus everybody in a dancehall I call Masicka coward. Say Masicka afraid of Alkaline. Say Masicka afraid of Hydonia. Say Masicka run from Skeng and governor. So Masicka I try stand up now for himself and stand up to Kartel because he no want Kartel shadow him. And believe it or not, Kartel no want nobody in a dancehall for greater than him. So at some point in time, the two of them are going to fall out because Masicka is an alpha male and Kartel is an alpha male. So Masicka can't sit down him entire career and live in a Vybz Kartel shadow. So Masicka needs to come out of Kartel shadow, build him own a super fan base like how Kartel have Gaza fans, Movado have Gully side, and Alkaline have a Vendetta fan base. So Masicka tired to be a fallbacker. Masicka tired to be Kartel protege. The man want be him owner man. So Masicka and Kartel go at it now. Cause Masicka say my goat, build a goat chain. Vybz Kartel not like that. Even Vybz Kartel's son at this Masicka. So Masicka decides say he might take it to Kartel. Enough people in the industry who support Kartel are go against Masicka. So Bounty Killer come out and support Masicka, him and conscience, and give Masicka some strength. So Masicka get some strength right now from Bounty Killer, the grown Godzilla. We know say that now go sit good with the Gaza fans. Kartel don't know say Bounty Killer I'm only a big man. Kartel say Bounty Killer can do what Bounty Killer want do, but him always a go respect Bounty Killer, cause Bounty Killer that, and him tell him kids them for always respect Killer, no matter what Killer do or say, I just Killer that, but a Killer make them a live the life where them a live. A Bounty Killer make them a live the luxury life, the uptown life, and the rich life. So Bounty Killer and conscience come out and a support Masicka. So people, right now we want to talk about the whole Vanessa Bling and Vybz Kartel. After Vanessa Bling show some love to Movado At the end of the day, the Gaza fans them a burn out Vanessa Bling. Since Kartel come out from last year, Vanessa Bling no touch Kartel foot all now. And one of the reason why the people in my burner out, them think say she would link up with Kartel. But Vanessa Bling loyal to Vybz Kartel. Them have big song together like Clarks and other song. But when Vybz Kartel was being incarcerated, and the whole rumors out there with the lizard and say lizard drop out and Kartel dirt lizard, allegedly Vanessa Bling support Kartel to the fullest. This is my problem with the Gaza fans them. Anything Kartel and Vanessa Bling have, them need to work it out. But at the end of the day, when Kartel was down, Vanessa Bling was there. Vanessa Bling was riding with Kartel. Vanessa Bling even testify and make the police them know say she is a lizard. Lizard is still alive and lizard try for rob her, which them did lock up her for. She did do some time behind bars where she get way off of the case and she have to take away herself. The system did a pressure her. The police them did a pressure her. At one point in time, Vanessa Bling got turned Christian. Vanessa Bling have to run to the church. That's how scared Vanessa Bling was of her life. That's how scared she was after she support Vybz Kartel. So she is loyal. She almost got prison for years because she loyal. She almost got prison for years because she support Vybz Kartel. Probably Kartel style her when Kartel they in a prison. Kartel probably never do no collab with her after. Probably Kartel no show her no love. We don't know the dynamics of what happened to the two of them. Or probably the police them tell her say she must stay away from Vybz Kartel. Probably people tell her say stay away from Vybz Kartel. Else we are gonna lock up you and so forth. Remember one point in time when Kartel was incarcerated, everybody were affiliated with Kartel have to hide. Popcorn did have to take away himself, Tommy Lee, Vanessa Bling, everybody, because the police in Jamaica was going after everybody who associate themselves with Kartel, even the producer them. Everybody did a run. Every artist did a run. Nobody never want to associate themselves. Just like when you're there in the United States of America, like Bobby's murder. When him get caught up with the feds, Drake and follow him, 50 Cent, Jay-Z, everybody. When P. Diddy catch in a trouble, everybody disassociate themselves with Diddy because them no want no problem with the feds. So when time Kartel get in trouble, everybody did have to take with themselves. Vanessa Bling did stand up beside Kartel and the police them running and a pressure her. So she did have to go church and she seek church for it. So we don't know how Vybz Kartel treat her after or what happened. We don't know if she no want the pressure from the police them. We don't know if she afraid of prison, jail, afraid of the police them. Why she no want to link up with the artists? Yes, the artists they road. Yes, the artists get way of a technicality. But remember the artists have enemies. Remember the artists create enough nemesis out there. A whole heap of family still a ball and cry. Allegedly. And probably the whole lizard thing. We don't know what type of threat she get. We don't know if her life in a danger. So probably that is the reason why she no want link with Kartel. But we no see her pan no sure. Popcorn return, Bunty return, Black Rhino return, Da Vinci return, Tommy Lee return, Sheba, Gaza Slim, Indu, Lisa Hype, everybody. Vanessa Bling are the only one I keep a distant. Vanessa Bling have created a career for herself after Vybz Kartel get locked up. Vanessa Bling get bigger. Vanessa Bling a big artist now. Vanessa Bling a sellout show. Vanessa Bling a do crazy tour. Probably she just want to keep it the way they. Probably she don't want to associate associate herself with Vybz Kartel and Vybz Kartel brand. At the end of the day, enough people Vybz Kartel hurt, but the Gaza fans them are go act like Vybz Kartel is an angel and like Vybz Kartel can change overnight. This woman, Vanessa Bling, put her life on the line for Kartel and playing devil's advocate. We no hear Kartel say nothing bad about her. We hear Kartel still play the song. We no hear she say nothing about Kartel. Kartel say nothing about she. Probably them have an understanding, but for now this woman choose to stay away from Kartel. And me not see nothing wrong with that. She almost got prison because of Vybz Kartel. Yes, Kartel boss her. Yes, Kartel help her. Or probably Kartel ex. Him probably used to walk her back in idea. Who know? But this woman did pay her dues, did stand up side of the artist and get locked up for it. She almost lose her career. This woman put everything on the line. And remember, she's a woman. So at the end of the day, I know everybody like Mad Sauce and Sean Stan figure do time. The woman pay her dues. She says she a go catch in a big trouble and she take away herself. So at the end of the day, the Gaza fans, them are hypocrite and them wicked and them one-sided. Them are going like saying enough woman get beaten allegedly. Look what happened to Gaza Kim. Crazy beating she get all now. She a idiot. Look what happened to Lisa Hype. We're faithful to Kartel. Look for Kartel in a prison. Their own Kartel fan. She a 5 years old. A thief out weed and rum and cigarette give Kartel. Kartel come from prison. Who Kartel give the whole of the collab them? Aishana. Who Kartel a carry pan the whole I show them? Aishana. Till Lisa Hype head get trigger off. Till Lisa Hype does flip out because the amount of good way she do for Kartel from she a 5 years old. Till now, the girl says she know a Kartel from she a 5. She a thief things get Kartel. And when she reach 15, 16, 17, Kartel pick a cherry from the cherry tree. Allegedly, the man groom her. So at the end of the day, Gaza sheep, stop act like Kartel a angel. A whole heap of people Kartel hurt out here. A whole heap of artists allegedly get beaten. Popcorn them have to get beaten, run up in the ring, kiss the ring, Sean Storm them, and Da Vinci them, Black Rhino, the whole of them. Uno act like say Kartel is a saint round here. So remember the man say one done. Kartel not change. The man just make some money and avoid certain things. Even though he might change a page, but the page in the same book, him can go forward and him can go backwards depending on the situation. When the camera turn on, enough people act like them are the best and act like say re-te-te, but at the end of the day, a switch can flip at any given time. But Vanessa Bling a do her own thing. And I saw me see it. She big up Vado and Kartel good. So me not see the problem. What if the woman just want to avoid Vybz Kartel and I want their own certain energy? Tell me what you think in the comment section. Jump Out TV production. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out.